Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us see a term called Pareto Principle or Pareto Law. It is named after economist Wilfredo Pareto. Specifies that 80% of consequences come from 20% of the causes, asserting an unequal relationship between the input and output. This principle serves as a general reminder that the relationship between input and output is not balanced. The Pareto principle is also known as the Pareto rule or the 80-20 rule. The original observation of the Pareto principle was linked to the relation between wealth and the population. According to what Pareto observed, 80% of the land in Italy was owned by 20% of the population. After surveying a number of other countries, he found same applied abroad. For the most part, the Pareto principle is an observation that things in life are not always distributed evenly. The Pareto principle can be applied in a wide range of areas such as manufacturing, management, and human resources. For instance, the efforts of 20% of a corporation's staff could drive 80% of the organization's profit. There is a practical reason for applying the Pareto principle. Simply, it can give you a window into whom to reward or what to fix. For example, if 20% of design flaws in a car are leading to 80% of crashes, you should identify and fix those flaws. Similarly, if 20% of your customers are driving 80% of your sales, you may want to focus on those customers and reward them for their loyalty. In this sense, Pareto principle becomes a guide for how to allocate resources efficiently. Thanks for watching. Bye.